So we are now in the Asian side of Istanbul, going for our mosaic workshop. Zahid, are you excited for the workshop?
I actually wanted to do clay pot making, but they don't have this in Istanbul. It's only in Turkey.
Yeah, so that's the cafe where we're gonna do our workshop.
Yeah, mosaic lab.
What other workshops do you have here?
There's Turkish coffee here. That's a Turkish coffee workshop. And this is the one we are doing. The mosaic glass lamp workshop.
We're in this really cute cafe right now. But we're fasting, so we can't have coffee. They also do like glass painting workshop here. Here we are seated for our workshop. We're waiting for we're waiting for some more people to arrive. I'm not sure what this is.
Gloves, please.
Oh, sorry, that's gloves. And then we've got like a pot there. And then there's like a few tools here.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
pretty. That's really nice. I'm a mess.
I'm
I'm not sure what I'm doing. Can I show yours? Can you see how far? Damn, look at that.
Here we are, Skuda. It's actually a pretty nice place. We got loads of restaurants and very interesting shops. There's a mosque here. This is a mosque right in front of us. It's from 1589 Hijra, so it's not very old, 1941. We're going to another mosque now. It's called Valide Esedid Chami.
Like all the mosques here have like this like courtyard, open space, right? It's really pretty.